FacilityBot has 3 levels of fault priority that can be tagged to fault reports: low, medium, and high. High priority status can be automatically tagged by configuring the system to recognize phrases in fault reports that are deemed as descriptive of high fault priority. High priority status can then be used to set up workflows to automatically assign high priority fault reports to responders. To manage the settings for high priority faults, open the Settings menu and select Requests, then select the High Priority Faults tab. Any previously created high priority fault classifications are shown, along with the designated training phrases used by the system to recognize and tag high priority status to fault reports. Let's create a new high priority fault classification by clicking the New button. Let's give it a name and define some training phrases descriptive of the classification. Click in the empty space to start typing training phrases. Press Enter or click again in the empty space to start each new phrase. There must be at least one phrase given to the system for it to be able to recognize similar phrases in fault reports to tag high priority status. It can also recognize variations of words, so it is not necessary to define different variations like faulty and fault. When done, hit OK to save. The new high priority fault classification appears in the main window. In case we need to make any changes to the existing ones, we can edit or delete them by clicking the Edit or Delete buttons. Let's update our power supply high priority fault. In the editing panel, we can change the name of the high priority fault classification, or delete it entirely, or add or remove training phrases. Click in the Training Phrases field to start typing a new phrase, or use the delete icon on a phrase to remove it. There must be at least one phrase in the field. When done, hit the Update button to save the changes and we'll be taken back to the main window.